Hey, it's Beardo back again at Epic Adventure Outfitters with the Hades build, our Hellcat Mojave. And Christian's going to be doing some suspension install. So let's get to that right now. Mr. Christian.
What's up, buddy?
We're doing some suspension install on
We're doing some suspension today. Just while we have a quick second, give our engine guy a break. He's been working hard. Figured we'd do this while he was busy.
Sweet.
So we're putting mostly all Teraflex parts, except we've got some specific parts from America's Most Wanted, like a specific set of tuned shocks, Falcon shocks and coil springs that'll handle the V8 and a lot better on the road, a lot better feeling when you're driving. Handles basically the torque awesomeness, or just the sheer power that this thing's gonna put out and have fun with, so you can drive like a complete asshat and still feel in control. It's kind of what we're going for. At least that's what the customer requested.
the other ginger.
Yeah, the other guy wanted to drive like a complete asshat, so I was like, no problem, I got you covered.
Okay, so we just finished the front suspension. He's going to do the rear. It's virtually the same thing, just 2 more springs, 2 more shocks and brackets, things like that. We might get the tires mounted onto the wheels and then put those on as well today, but we'll see. If not, thanks for watching. Beardo Whitelock Dodge. Bye.